Alright. Another round.
Another round of awesome lots begins.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Oh, it's Dr. Poots. We just fought him. Or was he the Raylan on our team? Aw, shit. Alright, well, time to show him up. He was a good Raylan.
He was. So
I'm a little
kind of afraid.
I'm a little spooked. He's good aim and time replacement.
What the fuck?
Why would he ask what character while we're already in game?
No.
Same, dude, same.
Fucking broken.
Will I help him? Oh, they got the fucking Chad Ayla and the Virgin Pulip. Alright.
I don't know what
I fucked that up.
I don't know what I thought though. Yeah, it must be the movement speed going around.
Alright, alright. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Return the mech, get it with his. Get it. Fuck, my rep.
What is?
Looking for the better way to get out of bed instead of fucking that seal up right up the ass.
Oh shit. I like this. Okay. Oh,
Just
God,
waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd.
Today was a good day.
Indeed.
Fucking Christ, I need to get better at throwing.
Oh no, no, no. Wow, well, worse, maybe.
Oh.
Yeah, that was a trade. Oh well. The smell of my sandals after a brisk morning walk. That's you.
What?
The roast on Ulip are too fucking good.
Jeez.
Especially when he overlaps his roasts.
Oh, of course.
Get two insults at once coming your way. How can you handle that?
Sounds like some demonic, helpless old man.
I may be small, but I have a big brain.
Shut the fuck up, Ulip.
God. I love it when
cancel
when
that
they do
spike.
overlap. I think when he's screaming in pain and then he says something after, and I think then you manually say something. I think that's when it can overlap like 3 times.
Yeah, exactly. Right, pushing top.
Yeah. We might not be good in the kill game. We could be good in the good game.
Nah, we're good in the kill game. What you talking about? What you talking about? We're fucking Penny and Chucho. What you talking about?
Right, you're right.
You're right, yeah. And we got Nah in case we don't work out.
Oh, well, I threw that past the box. Fuck why, but...
Oh, I'm an asshole. No! No, no, no! Not like this,
oh,
Rin.
What hell? Surprised he's not dead.
Oh, I tried. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh,
fuck.
well, I got done. Comboed. Comboed.
Combo.
Oh, my dark spellcaster just messed with me 3 losses in a row cause fucking feeders, yay! What up?
I may be small, but I have a big brain, yes.
Fuck, I can't type.
Holy shit.
Alright.
Okay, I am getting some health and some upgrades.
Oh, hallelujah.
Holy shit, that guy coming.
GG. Oh, ouchie.
Ouchie indeed. Holy
Oh.
shit.
I'm getting shut the fuck up. Oh my goodness. How did I do that? That Raylan's really fucking tryhard. She's pretty good though.
Yeah.
I respect it. But oh, nice. Fucking shit players, man. Oh my, too many noobs. Man, he's really mad.
He mad.
Oh, nice. Here, I'll confirm
Why
it.
would he just stand there?
Yep.
Why would he just snipe after that?
I'm not really sure.
He's got his methods. I respect.
To each their own. To each their own.
Yes, but she maybe got help.
Fuck, looks like it.
Fucking hell.
Fucking hell, man. Alright, pushing bottom.
Right. Coming.
I'm leaving, hold up.
Yep.
Oh, wait, what did I do? What? Oh!
God damn it, I wanted to blow up my bike, but she shot it before.
Alright, cool, now I got the solar boss. Yeah.
God damn it.
Oof.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm going.
Oh my god, I'm so dead. God, going super even right now. The other one that's died. Kill me.
Coming.
Going to win.
Damn it. It almost got on her, but it got on the bot. I wish there was an upgrade to speed up the timer.
36th century fox.
Try hard boots. Alright. Too strong. Get red.
Oh.
Oh, nice. That was nice.
Good deterrent. Okay.
Here, we can get this. Oh, good. You got it.
Fucking hell. There we go.
Oh shit, I missed. Oh, that is
Okay,
awful.
I'm fucking dead.
That
wow.
was, yeah, that was just so unfortunate.
Wrong place, wrong.
Yeah. Sorry, boyo.
There we go.
Oh.
How kind of you to come feed my pretties.
Shit.
Okay. Oh wow, she just kind of stood there.
Oh, get her!
So bad.
Fuck her up! Oh my god, this nah. Just finishing off all the kills. My boy.
I may be small, but I have a big brain. Yeah.
This Ulip just loves taunting. Hold on the one key.
And maybe I won't kill you.
You're right. You're starting doing
Number
it.
one. No, yeah, there we go. We gotta do
Number
it.
one.
Oh my goodness, this man!
Mm.
We're getting good teammates.
Mhm.
I like it. Sometimes you just gotta go in. Oh my!
How the fuck?
You've
I guess you just planted one on her. I don't even know how you did that.
I don't even know either, man.
She was behind the turret, so.
Oh my god. Dude, this game. This game. And goodbye. Just goodbye.
Yep.
This oh my god, he's almost dead too. This snowball is too real. I feel bad.
Yeah. A fucking avalanche coming.
That's a new one. I like that.
We are the avalanche.
All right, the next name is gonna be called the Avalanche.
I love it.
That's what I'm calling this one.
God. Alright. Oh.
Oh, and goodbye.
Fucking get it.
Oh my god.
Jesus
Holy
Christ.
shit. Just, oh, I cancelled snipe. Oh, evil. Yes. Alright, let's see if I can get her.
Alright. Okay.
Alright. Hey, Ayla.
Bring it on. Or are you all
Listen.
Oh.
Alright. I hear you loud and clear. One sec, I'll be right back.
You're right.
coffee time?
Oh, we'll get the fuck out.
Alright, you know what? We're going to try hard. Star Signs at you. We don't need health. We don't need it.
Oh. Alright, I went
Come
and
on.
grabbed all the health upgrades.
Come on.
Didn't that?
Oof. Oh, she got damage over time on Evil Eye. Alright, I see you.
Hmm,
I see you.
do this.
La-di-da-di-da. Gonna help him push bottom just a little bit. Oh shit, I don't like this. Oh, you missed script. Haha, what I mean. Oh, they're all three of them are down here. Oh, he just healed at the same time I did then. Oof. Alright, I gotta get me some charges. Wait, what's going on? No!
Oh my
I want
God.
the team fight!
I tried.
Suds on my oil
He gripped me.
No! No! Oh my god, Raylan, listen. It doesn't have to be this way. I mean, it has. Oh, this Nas coming back with a vengeance. He got some health. He's fucking ready to show this Raylan who's in town.
Goddamn.
What is that? Where's this? Actually, where's this Raylan go?
I love her now. He's good.
Yeah,
now,
really.
now this makes me put faith in his Durple.
Yeah. Oh my god, is he actually? No, okay. Alright, listen, blue team. Let's be honest. Is it gay to be on blue team? The memes are too real.
Memes are too real. They're great. Alright, let's get. Oh, fuck.
Oh. Oh shit, no grip.
kind of you to come feed my
Alright,
pretties.
I can hit one too. I didn't say a voice line! I'm triggered!
Mm-hmm.
Mine.
Mine.
Oh, Raylan just went home, like right in there, whatever. Oh,
Why
you didn't
would
see
he
that?
do that? He's an idiot. Oh, god damn it.
When's this game gonna end? Oh my god, Nas legendary. It's time to stop.
Oh, she might have just killed her teammate. Oh, almost. Damn it.
No! No!
Oh,
Ayla,
shit.
not like this.
She's so dead.
The bait. Damn it.
Raylan's just giving up at
This
this
is-
point.
I feel bad, but... Ay. Oh no. Uh-oh. I will nick it out of this one. Da-na. Oh. I was gonna do the Jeopardy music. Like, oh my god. Okay, now just carry harder, why don't you?
Yeah.
11 and
Carry
0. Oh my god. Okay.
Goddamn.
Fucking Nas got the strongest fucking back I've ever seen. Holy shit, what a thick spine. Ulip couldn't readjust that spine. It didn't need any readjusting. It just fucking...
It was already fortified.
Okay, that was a good game.
That was. It was great.